Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Salamun alaykum ya Ali Madad. Tonight is our lecture about the companions of Imam Ali. Tonight we will discuss about Hazrat Salman-e-Farsi wa Ali Muhammad. Tonight we will discuss about Hazrat Salman-e-Farsi. Hazrat Salman was a companion of Prophet Muhammad and of Imam Ali A.S. The Prophet liked him very much and said about him, Salman is one of us, vi Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Salman's idea of digging a trench in the Battle of Khandaq brought victory to the Prophet. He supported the successorship of Imam Ali even after the demise of our Prophet and opposed the incident of Saqifa. Salman had heard of a prophet who will not accept any charity, any sadaqah, any food, but he only accepts gift. And he has the seal of prophethood between his shoulders. Thus, when he met with Prophet Muhammad in Quba, he gave some food that he had collected as charity to the Prophet. The Prophet decided to give all of that food to the companions, and the Prophet did not eat any of that food. Another time, Hazrat Salman gave more food to the Prophet as a gift this time. And then he noticed that Prophet Muhammad only ate some of it. And then at the third time, he saw the Prophet in a funeral of his friend, where he finally saw the seal between the Prophet's shoulders. After that, Salman went to the Prophet and went on his knees and praised our Prophet, and then Hazrat Salman converted to Islam. The Prophet had actually bought Salman, who was a slave, for planting 300 date trees and 600 silver coins. And then he freed him from slavery. As Salman said, the Prophet had bought him and had named him Salman. The documents of the freedom of Salman were dictated by the Prophet, and it was written by Imam Ali. And now I will read you the document. The document states, the Prophet Muhammad has paid 300 date trees and 600 silver coins. Therefore, Salman's ransom has now been paid, and he officially belongs to Prophet Muhammad and his family, whereas no one else has authority over him. That is what the document stated. According to some sources, the bond of brotherhood was made between Salman and Abuzer, while other reports, they say no, it was between Huzaifa. But no, some others say, and some others believe that it was also between Mihdad. However, us Shia, our narrations have mostly accepted that the bond was made between Salman and Hazrat Abuzer. In addition, some of our sources also state that the conditions that Abuzer was actually supposed to follow Salman. According to the most of Shia sources, the first day that Salman entered a mosque, people respected and praised him, but others, they disrespected Salman. Why? Because they were like, oh, Salman is a non-Arab, why should we respect him? And after this event, the Prophet came and he delivered a speech. Now pay close attention to the speech of our Prophet. Our Prophet stated, men are not superior to another based on their race, on their color, the color of their skin, but only petty differences. Salman is a vast sea and an everlasting treasure. Salman is a member of my family. The Prophet is saying that the Prophet states that Salman is a member of his family, which is the Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Our Prophet also added that Hazrat Salman was gifted with knowledge and wisdom. The same statements of the Prophet have also been narrated in another report. Based on this report, during the days when people of Medina were busy digging a trench to confront their enemy, the army of Ahzab, Salman-e-Farsi, who was a strong man, played a very crucial and imminent role in the fulfillment of the task, since it was also his idea of digging the trench. Therefore, migrants and some helpers each considered him Each considered Salman as a member of their respective group. And then the Prophet said that Salman is one of us. Once again, the Prophet said that Salman is one of us. Vi Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Other hadiths have been narrated from our Prophet praising Salman, including a statement to the fact that the heaven is eager to have Imam Ali, Hazrat Ammar and Salman, and a hadith based on which Allah has obligated the Prophet to like Ali, Salman, Miqdad and Hazrat Abuzer. In Shia sources, there are hadiths narrated from Imam praising Hazrat Salman. In these hadiths, he is generally considered among the first Shia who are steadfast in faith. Among these hadiths, there is a statement by Imam Ali in which Hazrat Salman and some other companions such as Hazrat Abuzer, Ammar and Hazrat Miqdad have been considered among those who are blessings Allah grants sustenance to people. We need to understand that Imam Ali has also considered Salman as having the knowledge of the first and having the knowledge of the last. In a hadith narrated from Imam al-Baqir alayhi salam and Imam Sadiq alayhi salam, it is stated that once in a meeting with Imam Ali, Salman-e-Farsi's name was mentioned and Imam said, "No, do not call him al-Farsi. Call him Salman-e-Muhammadi, since he is one of us, bi Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad." This shows that many times Rasulullah said Salman is one of us, bi Ahlul Bayt, and now during a meeting, Imam Ali is telling people, do not call him Al-Farsi, instead call him Salman-e-Muhammadi, since he is one of us, bi Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam. This shows the love Imam Ali had for Salman, the love Hazrat Salman had for Imam Ali. This also proves the love our Prophet had for Salman and the love Salman had for our prophets. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Hazrat Salman passed away in 36 after Hijrah in Madain. Madain is officially now located in Iraq, but we need to know that at first it was located in Iran. In some sources, it is mentioned that Hazrat Salman had a very long life. Some even consider that his lifespan was 350 years. Some say that he lived until 350 years old. At that time, Imam Ali, at the time of the martyrdom of Hazrat Salman, Imam Ali was in Medina, and Hazrat Salman, as I said, was in Madain, which is now located in Iraq, but it was located in Iran before. When Hazrat Salman was about to pass away, he told his slave, "Do not give me ghusl. Do not bury me." Everyone became confused. Salman says, "I am saying that because my master, Imam Ali, he himself will come and he shall be the one who will give me ghusl and pray the namaz." And this is why you need to figure out, and not just figure out, you need to understand the status of Hazrat Salman when he passed away, that Imam Ali, he himself, miraculously from Medina all the way to Madain, which is thousands and thousands of kilometers apart, but he reached in the matters of seconds. And then he performed the ghusl and the namaz to Hazrat Salman. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. This concludes our Tuesday night lecture. This lecture was concerning Hazrat Salman, who I mentioned was a very famous companion of not just Imam Ali, but also Rasulullah. These series of lectures are extremely important for our young youth and for our azadar to understand the marifat and the status of the famous companions of Imam Ali. Now, before I begin the recitation of Dua Tawassul, please recite a loud salawat. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka wa atawajjahu ilayka bi nabiyyika nabiyyir rahma Muhammadin sallallahu alayhi wa alihi. Ya Abul Qasim, Ya Rasulallah, Ya Imam al-Rahma, Ya Sayyidana wa Maulana إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. Please recite together. يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. يا أبا الحسن يا أمير المؤمنين يا علي بن أبي طالب يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. Please remember all azadars and your du'as. Insha'Allah, Allah will accept all of our du'as. يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. يا فاطمة الزهراء يا بنت محمد يا قرة عين الرسول يا سيداتنا ومولاتنا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيهة عند الله اشفعي لنا عند الله. Please recite together. يا وجيهة عند الله اشفعي لنا عند الله. يا أبا محمد يا حسن بن علي أيها المجتبى يا ابن الرسول الله يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. Please recite Dua Tawassul with me together, and please recite loudly, because this is the beauty of Dua Tawassul that everybody should recite together. يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. يا أبا عبد الله يا حسين بن علي أيها الشهيد يا ابن الرسول الله يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. Please recite together. يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. يا أبا الحسن يا علي بن الحسين يا زين العابدين يا ابن الرسول الله يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. Please recite Dua Tawassul with me together and loudly, because this is the beauty of Dua Tawassul that everybody should recite together. يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. يا أبا جعفر يا محمد بن علي أيها الباكر يا من الرسول الله يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. Please recite together. يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. يا أبا عبد الله يا جعفر بن محمد أيها الصادق يا ابن الرسول الله يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. This is a very important month, so please recite Dua Tawassul with me together and please recite loudly. يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. يا أبا الحسن يا علي بن موسى أيها الرضا يا من الرسول الله يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. Please recite together. يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. يا أبا الحسن يا علي بن موسى أيها الرضا يا من الرسول الله يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. Please recite together. يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. يا أبا جعفر يا محمد بن علي أيها التقي الجواد يا من الرسول الله يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. For the happiness of Imam Hussein, please recite together and please recite loudly. يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. يا أبا الحسن يا علي بن محمد أيها الحادي النقي يا من الرسول الله يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا Please recite together. Ya wajihan indallah. Ishfa lana indallah. يا أبا محمد يا حسن ابن علي أيها الزكي العسكري يا ابن الرسول الله يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. For the happiness of Imam Hussain, please recite together and please recite loudly. Ya wajihan inda Allah ishfa lana inda Allah. يا وسي الحسان والخلف الحجات أيها القائم المنتظر المهدي يا ابن الرسول الله يا حجة الله على خلقه يا سيدنا ومولانا إنا توجهنا واستشفعنا وتوسلنا بك إلى الله وقدمناك بين يدي حاجاتنا يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. Please recite together. يا وجيها عند الله اشفع لنا عند الله. التماس دعاء. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا ساداتي وموليا إني توجهت بكم أئمتي وأدتي ليوم فكري وحاجتي إلى الله وتوسلت بكم إلى الله واستشفعت بكم إلى الله فاشفعوا لي عند الله واستنقذوني من ذنوبي عند الله فإنكم وسيلتي إلى الله وبحبكم وبقربكم أرجو نجاة من الله فكونوا عند الله رجائي يا ساداتي يا أولياء الله صلى الله عليهم أجمعين ولعن الله أعداء الله ظالميهم من الأولين والآخرين آمين رب العالمين. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. Please recite Surah Fatiha for all marhumin. I would like to thank all my elders and all my azadars who are watching and supporting me during the Dua Tawassul program. You can request for dua in the comment sections and you can type iltimas dua because all azadars will pray together. Now, we will begin the recitation of Dua Noor Saghir, so take out a glass of water in front of you. Once we are done reciting, blow in the glass of water and later on distribute it to your family or simply blow on your right and left side of your shoulders. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله النور. بسم الله النور النور. بسم الله نور على نور. بسم الله الذي هو مدبر الأمور. بسم الله الذي خلق النور من النور. الحمد لله الذي خلق النور من النور وأنزل النور على الطور والبيت المأمور والسقف المرفوع في كتاب مستور في رق منشور بقدر مقدور على نبي محبور الحمد لله الذي هو بالعز مذكور وبالفخر مشهور وعلى السراء والضراء مشكور وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى الطيبين الطاهرين اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. We have concluded tonight's Tuesday night program. Next Tuesday, same time around 7 to 8 p.m., we will have another Tuesday night program with another lecture about the companions of Imam Ali, Dua Tawassul and Dua Noor Saghir. So please join in big number. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali